this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat, coming in this nice agate black coloring. This vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. This vehicle also comes equipped with the Lariat Black Appearance Package, the Lariat Sport Package, as well as the Trailer Tow Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have two exhaust pipes. You have your tow hitch there, backup camera, rear park sensing, of course. You do have mud flaps on rear and front wheel wells, as well as a nice gripped running board, side view camera, blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, you have front park sensing as well, those two tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle also comes equipped with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice black perforated leather with light gray stitching, and of course if you don't need that extra person, you can pull this down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. We do also have cup holders there, 2 heated back seats, a 12 volt, USB and USB-C, and a 120 volt right there. We do have plenty of door space as well, with the B&O sound system, which makes your music sound pretty nice. And of course, if you need cargo space, you can always lift up the seats for additional room. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are powered, as well as having the same black leathered perforated seats we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space again, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, parking brake, pedal adjusters, tailgate light, and your lights right there, 2 blind spot detections, and your tailgate opener right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 528 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. You have your toggle for your main menu there. Phone and media, cruise controls there, and volume and voice. And looking over here, you do have your leather-wrapped gear shift, which is also collapsible, providing you with a fair bit more storage. As well as you have storage here, 2 cup holders, wireless charging pad with storage, USB and USB-C, and this does close for you. Now, looking at your main screen here, we do have My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. And continuing to look here, we do have our drive modes, rear axle lock, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, and pro trailer backup. Your drive modes are normal, slippery, deep sand and snow, and mud and ruts, and all the way to the right, you do get sport, eco, tow and haul, and normal again. We have heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate, 12 volt, and 120 volt. Your media controls right there, auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park sensing, hazards, and traction control. You of course get storage here by just clicking that button there, and storage in the glove compartment. We also do have a nice leather wrap center console with a fair bit of storage that provides you with another USB and USB-C. Now looking at our main screen here, you do have your audio, which is Sirius XM capable. You have your phone, navigation of course, your Fave app, which you can set up however you like, such as messaging, email, zone lighting, Wi-Fi, any apps you may have downloaded, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings such as Sirius XM, navigation, and so on and so forth, and features such as driving assist, zone lighting, towing, and so on and so forth. And looking above my head here, we have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and of course we do have a nice rear window opener. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FD00676, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.